Hey everybody, here is the dancing rotisserie grill again. Right now it's in the no dance mood, but once I pull the pin on it, it will start dancing. I'll do that. Hey everybody, here's the dancing rotisserie grill once again. Doing some pork on it. Pork chops, pork ribs, I'm not sure what they are. Anyway, she's dancing away now, but when I started this, I had it pinned so you can use it just like a traditional rotisserie. It's made of stainless steel. You can get 16 pounds of beef or meats on it, and I've had up to 4 butterflied chickens on it. If you're interested, my address or email address and phone number is on this video. Thank you. Good afternoon, YouTube. Here we got the dancing rotisserie grill dancing away once again. When I started this cook, I had it pinned so that it just spun like a traditional rotisserie does. And after a while, I just pulled the pin and let it dance. It's made of all 304 stainless steel. And if you're interested, my number and email should be on the bottom of this video. Thank you. Hello everyone. Here's the dancing, spinning rotisserie once again in the dance mode. When I first started this cook, I had it pinned so that all three rings were stationary and it spun like a traditional rotisserie would. Doing some pork on it. You can get about 16 pounds of meat on this and it spins just fine. This thing is made of all 304 stainless steel. I have it plugged in to the battery box this time, or you can use it while you're camping and it runs off of batteries. 2 D-cell batteries will go 13 hours. If you're interested, my address and phone number should be with this video. Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm playing with the dancing rotisserie once again. When I started it this time for the cook, I had it pinned so that it would spin just like the traditional rotisserie does. And then I pulled the pin and let it dance. This thing cooks evenly on all sides, as you can see. Made from 304 stainless steel. You can cook up to 14 or 16 pounds of food on it, meats, all kinds. And I have some blah, 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 blah.